Heard of Parapurge? It's that parasite cleanse supplement claiming to improve digestion, sleep, and overall health. But is it legit or just another hype? Let's take a closer look. Quick disclaimer, this is based on research and public reviews. Always do your own homework before buying. Parapurge is sold by Free Range Supplement and marketed as a natural detox for parasites. It promises better sleep, digestion, and energy, especially when taken daily. Some users say they felt refreshed after just a few days, while others noticed less digestion and improved sleep. But not all feedback is glowing. Trustpilot shows a 2.8 star average from over 300 reviews. Some praise the fast shipping and clear instructions. Others complain about missing orders, surprise charges, and poor customer service. One user even had to cancel their credit card after getting charged for a VIP member they didn't sign up for. Parapurge might work for some, but the sketchy billing and mixed reviews are red flags. If you're considering it, proceed with caution and definitely read the fine print before checking out. Try Parapurge yourself, drop your experience in the comments, and if you want more honest supplement reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.